Canada's Immigration Minister Mark Miller has unveiled sweeping changes to the country's immigration system, which will drastically reduce the number of foreign nationals permitted to stay. In this video, we'll break down the newly announced changes to Canada's immigration policies, which could force millions, including many Indians, to leave the country. We'll explore how these changes will impact workers, students, and temporary permit holders, particularly engineers, technicians, and others hoping to stay in Canada. Canada has unveiled sweeping changes to the country's immigration system, which will drastically reduce the number of foreign nationals permitted to stay. By 2025, nearly 5 million temporary permits will expire, with many permit holders, especially engineers, technicians, and students from India, facing the possibility of being forced to leave the country. The Trudeau government has made these changes in response to rising concerns over Canada's housing, healthcare, and infrastructure challenges. With a goal to better manage the country's population growth and address resource strain, the government has decided to reduce both permanent and temporary residency targets. The annual target for new permanent residents will drop by 21% from 500,000 to 395,000. These shifts are far-reaching. Permanent residency. The target for permanent residents will decrease, affecting many people hoping to settle long-term in Canada. Temporary foreign workers. There will be a 40% reduction in the number of temporary foreign workers allowed, impacting thousands, especially in high-skilled sectors like engineering and technology. International students. While still a significant number, the intake of international students will also be reduced by 10%. Indians make up a large portion of Canada's foreign workforce, with over 1.6 million people from India currently living in the country. Many of these workers are in key sectors such as technology, engineering, and healthcare. With the new cuts in temporary foreign worker permits, many could struggle to extend or renew their stay, while others may find themselves unable to transition to permanent residency. The new immigration policy could lead to significant changes for those holding temporary permits, such as work and study permits. Around 766,000 study permits will expire by December 2025, potentially impacting students who have yet to finalize their plans for permanent residency or work visas. With these changes, Canada's immigrant workforce, including many highly skilled professionals, faces a period of uncertainty.